In today's video, we are going to cover how to build a Gantt chart system in Notion. Start by opening the Notion database you want to use for your project tasks. This should be the database where each task already lives, or where you plan to manage your project schedule. Once you are inside that database, look at the row of saved views near the top so you can add a new way to display the same task data without changing the database itself. Next, click the plus sign next to your current view. This opens the menu for creating another view. From the list of available view types, choose Timeline. This is the view that lets you place tasks across dates so you can see how work is scheduled over time. In Notion, this is what turns your task list into a Gantt chart style layout. After selecting Timeline, Notion will ask which date property you want to use. Choose the date property that contains your task's start and end dates. This matters because the timeline needs date ranges in order to place each task correctly. If your database has more than one date field, make sure you pick the one that is meant for scheduling, not another date field that tracks something else. Once the correct date property is selected, create the timeline view. If Notion asks for a name before creating it, enter one that fits your project, then continue. The new view will open and show a horizontal time-based layout connected to the tasks in your database. At this point, the structure of the Gantt chart is in place, but tasks will only appear properly if they have dates assigned. Go through your tasks and add start and end dates where needed. As you assign those dates, the task will begin appearing on the timeline in the correct position. Tasks with only partial date information may not display the way you expect, so make sure both ends of the schedule are included when that is part of your workflow. With dates in place, you can begin adjusting the schedule directly on the timeline. Drag a task left or right to move it to a different time period. You can also adjust its placement as needed so the chart reflects changes in your project plan. This gives you a visual way to update the schedule without leaving the timeline view. After that, customize the view to organize the chart around the information that matters most for your project. You can group tasks, apply filters, or sort them to change how the schedule is presented. This helps shape the timeline into a clearer working view for tracking progress and planning upcoming work. When the view looks the way you want, keep it as your saved timeline view. It now functions as your Gantt chart inside the same Notion database, ready for ongoing schedule tracking. Your Notion database now has a timeline view set up as a Gantt chart for tracking your project schedule.